Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having an issue when attempting to sign into Netflix. On your Windows computer it says that there was a problem communicating with Netflix, please try again. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So once you're on the Netflix page here, you want to go select the three horizontal dotted icon near the top right corner of this page. And there might be two options that are presented under here. You want to select the second option, so if you see two different black bars, you want to select the second one on this page. So you would go ahead and select that. Again, that's not exactly how my screen appears here. Again, there will be a second box. You would select the second one, give it a moment, the screen might turn white, and then you should have an option to enter in an email and password from there. And then at that point you should be able to sign into your Netflix account. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.